Oh, hello everybody. Hey, you've caught me being a real artist today, signing limited edition prints of my work. They're for the Alice in Wonderland shop in Oxford, and where the shop is located is the shop is featured in an illustration by Tenniel in the original Alice, so it's something special. It's the #1 tourist attraction in Oxford, with all the Lewis Carroll connections, of course. Anyway, we've got the White Rabbit Herald, we've got the Mad Hatter, we've got the White Rabbit saying he's late, we've got Alice getting advice from the caterpillar, we've got Tweedledee and Tweedledum meeting Alice, and funnily, I really need to be calm and precise when I do this. It's quite easy to get distracted and sign your name wrong. I've done it on many occasions. But yeah, this is the sort of thing you dream of when you're a little boy wanting to be an artist, is being able to sign limited edition of your own work. So with all that said, I'd better get on with it, hadn't I?